It's my show. This is my show. This is my show. This is my show. This is my channel Magic Presto show. Episode 1. Where'd that bing bag go? It's left. A big bag. Big bag. You're not alive. Big did you? Be dead again. They never again. It's for your punishment. Be dead. Do not talk. Wow, I came late for the zest. It must be intelligent, huh? Yes. Well, I think I have to hear. Man, the dish feed don't like it. You should just feed. Let's ever sing my song. Little baby, so was I. You know you me. And I turn around and buzz the stove. And don't do drugs, kids. My favorite guest is Elmo! Yeah! I'm at the glass! Now sit down. Elmo, do you have... No! Then why? Oh, we're evil. I was supposed to be angelic, but my homies wouldn't let me, so they want to kick me out forever. Well, Elmo, you should get over it. And our another guest is Tweety Bird. Yay! I'm Tweety Bird! Who is it? That's the version of me in Elmo. Oh, hello. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Pretty good. High five? No, thank you. Okay. See, he's a kid. He's a cutie. Aww. Why don't you stay in our channel so you can hear this? Okay. Elmo, you can have some fun, but there's so many questions we gotta ask. You hot? Did you hot? Oh, yes, but I have sex with girls last night. So chick